pressure tomorrow, man. I have to go back. I have to go back at the doctor tomorrow. I go back at the doctor tomorrow. So me I reach out to somebody, reach out for me now. Reach out for me people, no reach out for me now people. When I send a lion, somebody send something for me now. Come on for this now, come on for this evil. Una demons, come on for these demons. Come on for these demons, una demons. Una demons. Una demons, come on for these demons. Demons, every demons come on for this. Every demons come on for this. Every demons. Me no want a demons come here so every demon, every pit no come here so. Yeah, no way here so. No demons have to come here so. Yeah. Nothing. Me not add nobody on my box. Me not add nobody on my box, people. People, me not adding no one into my box. No one into my box. No one into my box. I'm not adding anyone into my box. Nobody coming to my box. No one. No one. No one. No one not coming to my box. Let me move everybody where I send requests. I am moving every soul what to send requests to in my box. Yes, no one not coming to my box. Me hear what the lady has say. Me hear what the lady has say. No one not coming to my box. Hello? Hello?
Hi, Uncle Wagwan. Guys, please help Derrick Morgan. He's in a serious situation. And everything he's saying is actually true. The fruit man had texted for Uncle. Uncle can't walk at night or there peacefully. So please, if you don't have anything, please, may I beg you now.
Miss Bling about helping program name Destiny Help. Me what this morning.
Oh guys, I cry for Derrick. See that Bob, thanks to the money gun, guys. Please help Derrick. Derrick, tell the people them say I see you or something, or sometimes I feel fed up like how I jump off a waterfront. I can't tell her no.
But them know every day me say come on.
Guys, it's true man, I trouble Derrick for true morning, noon at night. Him cannot take it anymore. I be
No, every day I come and tell him about the foods when I take it from me every morning. Don't do the people who work at the place where me there, them say every wallet head straight and go where you're going. Don't even look on him. Don't look on him. Don't look on him. This man I play a Batman song. Who's in the help? Only who's help? No sense of mom not gonna see a Batman a part of the man and I take self on you. You must have Batman.
You must have that mess. Buy one pepper spray, Derrick. Buy one pepper spray, guys. A serious something. And I don't joking matter. Guys, when you drink a walk, one can't get up.
No, you cannot get up and have trouble one man so.
Tell them about the can.
Maybe most one of them people in the car are people place when they come up.
Derrick, tell them the car with that driver done, Derrick. I serious something, guys. Show me love laugh, but I serious something. And I serious show Derrick buy one pepper spray for anything, you understand?
Of course. Come on for this. Come on for this.
Everybody must say I laugh out it. Alright, may I come out of Derrick box? Can I take this thing with you? Can I just show me love laugh? May I come out of Derrick box? Derrick, talk to your fans them, yeah? A serious something, guys.
Alright. Me a move him. Me a move him. No, me not bad on the box. Me not bad on the box. I thought me not no bad. Me not bad on the box. little dead dog there, so, you know. Some little dead dog, we arms are coming and fuckery, you know. Me now tell you we don't fuckery, so, you know. Some dead dog, we coming and fuckery. Okay, with them fuckery, you know. They don't say so. Hello?
Wagwan.
Yeah.
Long time I see you.
Me there, man, me there. I be a problem with Uncle Derrick right now, me love.
We do.
We find one place.
You still not find out?
Same girl I met with me love.
Man, this sounds good.
And you have one boy from the road every morning text it for. Every morning text it.
They're
Every
reporting.
morning. Eh?
They're reporting to the police.
Everybody tell me do it, you know.
Yeah, but if not accept me, you have to report him.
Every morning, I'm in a trouble. Oh, you every man, you have to put. You know, content paper, you put. You can't see someone every day. Just take step on you once every day. So, and the man now look on him and ask. Now, by a friend, the man now look on you. You man, when it's to do it, what in business.
Exactly. He must like you.
You know some of them people here? You know some of them people, huh? I absolutely got bad way of them. I was talking about the fruitsman must fish shot you.
Photo.
Yeah.
Shoot me?
Shot me. Shoot me.
Why? They not block them. Why they don't want the shoot man to shot you?
I shoot me, I block them. Block me, I block them.
That's a violence.
Yeah, I tell them say man, you don't know yourself. So many people on TikTok. Some of them feel banned, some of them people come on TikTok with them foolish.
I don't know if you're not trouble them, them find way for trouble you.
And you come for me live, I tell me go suck my mother. Why you got tell me go suck my mother and you don't know me? I don't know you for now.
You don't know nothing about your mother, eh?
Yeah, go suck your mother.
So your mother right then there, buddy.
I mean move them, my friend. I mean move them.
Oh.
Me move them. Just move them. Me see you sometime on live, you know.
Me there, man, me there, same. There's sometime in really every time, like stream that.
Yeah, I miss bring up one program now.
Me so?
Miss bring up one program where it says yeah help people.
I thought I see Miss Bling up on me TV. I don't see her on TikTok. Unless me not follow her on this page. I'm listening to screen recording with her.
She kind of gone down, you know, but she's a build up back now. She a build up back. Everybody a fall off, love. You know why they must say so.
I fall off. Oh, so good. You know, sometimes people not have it like one time, you know, have it all the time, you know.
Yeah, let me tell them. Every day they say me fall off. Every minute me fall off. Every
Yeah,
minute.
depend on the same. People them have them bills them to have responsibilities too. So they help you this week or this month. Then somebody else have to step up. That's why cannot do them all the time. Because some of them not rich like that.
They must say, this a man upon TikTok, I run TikTok, you know, I run TikTok. Every day I them a tell me.
Hold on, still. One somebody can never run TikTok all the while because people love drama and which part of them go. So you know give them no drama, them go find which part drama they.
Yes. And sometimes I can't come and talk up some nasty thing when I see some of them attack. We can't do it.
Exactly. So at that time 1 year. So if you want the crowd over there, you want the whole of them over there that you have to chat. But they want.
We keep on talking about this, not this, and turn us what we can go pretty sometimes.
And what video for toilet and for video this and for this and for that.
Yeah, but I with that. Because sometimes you have over decent people that watch your life, you know. And if you give a little attitude, they're not going to want to give you.
Exactly. I don't want to know the nastiness, I love the nastiness, now give nothing, you know. Don't make good.
So I don't tell them that I want to keep father.
Exactly. See right, listen.
I want to keep father for this. I want to keep father off of blood clot TikTok. I don't want to rate him from bomber clot TikTok like them. I don't want to relate in a blood clot. I don't want to rate him like some of them. Yeah, I keep my blood clot self. I say when I come suck me. They want to come and talk about one blood clot. Father for this blood clot. Come suck me. I want to do some Scooby-Doo no blood clot, yes. I want to do some blood clot Scooby-Doo. I want to do some blood clot Scooby-Doo, yes, sir. I want to do some blood clot Scooby-Doo, yes, sir. What do you know? What do you know Scooby-Doo? Bomber clot. No, sir. Me don't want a Scooby-Doo come here, sir. No, sir. Tap up the scream, guy. Tap up the scream. Tap up the scream. When you go and donut. When you go and donut. Somebody come with some for this. Come on for this. Yes, Scooby-Doo. Yeah, Scooby-Doo. Come on for this, Scooby-Doo. Yeah, Scooby-Doo. No blood clan. I don't want a blood clot Scooby-Doo pan is a blood clot. I don't want a Scooby-Doo yes a blood clot. No Scooby-Doo a pussy bomba blood clot. No go no man. No go from here so. No go. Go. Send back your loot. What do you mean send back your loot? What do you mean by this? What do you mean by this? What do you mean by this?